a reciprocal. What is a reciprocal? Reciprocal is a fraction flipped over. Remember that from last year? The reciprocal of 1/5 is 5/1. What is the reciprocal of 6? The reciprocal of 6, W?
6/1?
No, that's what 6 is, 6/1. The reciprocal of 6 is, flip them over there, sir, what do you get?
1/6.
1/6. The reciprocal is also called the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Same name for reciprocal. And the other very important thing to understand is this question right here. What do you get if you multiply a number by its reciprocal? What do you suppose you always get if you multiply a number by its reciprocal? Amelia Goss?
1.
1. Why is that? Because if I have 1/8 and I multiply it by its reciprocal, which is 8/1, I end up with 8/8, which is 1. Or if I have 15 and multiply it by its reciprocal, which is 1/15, I get 15/15. Or if I had 7/8 and multiply it by its reciprocal, which is 8/7, I get 56/56, which is 1. Is there anything else they ask us that could be very much more exciting than that? How about this question? How many 1/8 are in 1/4? How many 1/8 in 1/4? And here is where I would very much strongly suggest, children, that you think of numbers other than fractions and figure out what you do, because most of you understand this is a division problem, right? Yes, when you're trying to find how many of something, is it something else? But is it this? Because this will give you two different numbers. Is it 1/8 divided by 1/4, or is it 1/4 divided by 1/8? Just because it's in 8 comes first, does that mean it goes first there or not? In which case, Wade, as he looks to me perplexed, and here is what I would do. Fractions sometimes confuse you. To figure out which one goes first, put real numbers in and say, does that make sense? If I said, how many 2's are in 10? Can you do that? How many 2's are in 10? 5. So is that 10 divided by 2 or 2 divided by 10? Which one, how do you write that problem out?
10 divided by 2.
So this one has to go first. It's 1/4 divided by 1/8. You do that just to see which one goes first and give you the process. So it is 1/4 times 8/1, which gives you 2 as an answer. How many 1/8 are in 1/4? 2 of them. How many 1/4 would be in 1/8? Flipped around, you would get, right?
2.5.
Half of them. Well, 1/2. You said